In just the past 5 years, the Ministry of Defence in Britain has spent more than £321,000 buying bear skins from North America. Each year, tens of thousands of North American bears are gunned down in a practice called bait and shoot. North American hunters set out bait, anything from donuts to pizza to skinned animal corpses. They place the bait in a barrel, a bucket, or sometimes just dump it on the forest floor. The bears are then shot, sometimes several times before they die. Many bears escape wounded, and these face a slow and painful death from blood loss, gangrene, other infections, dehydration, or starvation. In many areas of North America, there are few restrictions against shooting mother bears with nursing cubs, and hunters show them no mercy. An estimated 70% of orphaned black bear cubs die. If you wonder what the hunters think as they go about their work, take a listen.
She was probably a virgin, Carl.
We got a virgin bear out here. That's it. She's a virgin.
She's fucked now.
Big time. Big time.
Bear baiting is banned in many U.S. states and British Columbia, and is condemned by numerous hunting and conservation groups as being cruel and unsportsmanlike. Yet the Ministry of Defence still supports this shameful and cowardly form of bear slaughter. Please help stop this war on wildlife by urging the Queen to modernize Her Majesty's Guards hats and do away with the bearskin headpieces. Thank you.